paid me for the overlast and come are an eentje drinken voor het nieuwjaar of zo.
Ja. Kom maar eentje drinken voor het nieuwjaar. Ja.
Hey Charlie, I'm pregnant. Living by the dirty bookstore. Right about the dirty bookstore on Eckle Avenue. And I stopped taking dope and I quit drinking whiskey. And my old man played the trombone and works out on the track. They say that he loves me, even though it's not his baby. And they say that it'll raise him up like he would his own son. And gave me a ring that was worn by his mother, Charlie. And takes me out dancing every Saturday night. And hey Charlie, think about you every time I pass the filling station. And I caught in all the grease where I used to wear a little hair. I still have that old record, a little man to me and Imperials. Someone stole a record player. How do you like that? Charlie almost went crazy. My rookie bastard. So went back to Omaha to live in the folks. When everyone I used to know got dead in prison. Came back to Minneapolis. This time she'll stay.
Moleculen uit elkaar scheiden.
Listen to the point. Just to the point. Charlie, for Christ's sake. Do you want to know the truth of it? I don't have no husband. You don't play the trombone. I need to borrow money to pay this lawyer. Hey, Charlie boy, I'll be eligible for parole. Come, Valentine.